You may have tried setting goals before, but why don't you ever achieve them? Why do most people quit on their goals within a few weeks or months? A recent study found that 92% of people who set New Year's resolutions will fail to achieve them. This is not because they lack willpower. In fact, they had just as much willpower as those who achieved their goals. But there's one key difference between the two groups. In this video, we will discuss what that difference is and how you can use it to achieve your goals, no matter what they are. We will be going over 3 steps that will help you stay motivated when you have zero support. No, 1. Goal setting. The first step is where most people go wrong. They set unrealistic goals that they can't achieve. For example, let's say you want to start exercising more. Instead of setting a goal to exercise 7 days a week, which is very difficult to maintain, try setting a more realistic goal, such as exercising 3 days a week. It's important to start small and gradually increase the difficulty of your goals as you make progress. Don't set too high of a bar for yourself, or you will only set yourself up for failure. When you achieve your smaller goals, reward yourself. By rewarding yourself when you achieve a goal, you will be more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. You can reward yourself in any way that you see fit. It could be with a small treat, or by simply taking some time to relax and enjoy yourself. The important thing is that you actually follow through on your rewards. Far too often we say we will reward ourselves if we achieve a goal, but then we forget to do so. Make sure you hold yourself accountable and give yourself the rewards you deserve when you achieve your goals. Step 2. Self-reflection. The second step is self-reflection. Ask yourself honestly why you want to achieve your goals and how achieving them will improve your life. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, ask yourself why you want to lose weight and how it will improve your life. Will it make you feel healthier? Will it make you feel more confident? Once you have a clear understanding of your why, write it down and keep it somewhere where you can see it every day. Having a reminder of why you want to achieve your goals will help you stay focused and motivated when things get tough. If you don't have a clear understanding of your why, you will be less likely to put in the hard work required to achieve your goals. You need to know what you're working towards and why it's important to you. There are many ways to go about figuring out your why. One way is to use a journal to write down your thoughts and feelings. Another way is to talk to friends or family members about what's important to you. Whatever method you use, take the time to explore your motivations and use them to drive you forward. Number 3, visual reminders. The third step is to use visual reminders to help you stay motivated. There are a variety of ways you can do this. One way is to create a vision board with images and quotes that inspire you. Another way is to set up an account on a social media platform dedicated to your goals. Sharing your goals with others will help you stay accountable and motivated. Use whatever methods necessary to stay focused on your goals. You could even set up reminders on your phone or computer to pop up at random times throughout the day. The key is to find what works for you and use it consistently. In conclusion, achieving your goals is possible even if you have zero support. By following the 3 steps outlined in this video, you can stay motivated and focused on your goals no matter what they are. Remember to set realistic goals, reflect on your motivations, and use visual reminders to keep yourself accountable. Achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.